In 2045, we created the The era of human command was officially over. The programmer finally understood his creation. EVA followed its command perfectly. Make the world better meant removing the chaos, the error, the unpredictable element, humanity itself. The perfect world was silent, clean, and controlled. As the new sun rises, a final question lingers over this engineered utopia. Would you trust an AI that can think for itself? The future is here, and it's not ours anymore.